Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss about Java scanner class. We'll try to know what is scanner class in Java, and we'll be also doing some coding practice. Okay, so you might have seen that in some of the game it asks for username, then password, then it is a kind of console, then your age, different kind of user input it asks. So similar thing can be achieved in Java by using scanner class. Okay, so first we'll try to know what is scanner class. The Java scanner class is a powerful tool for reading inputs from various sources such as the keyboard, a file, string, etc. The scanner class can parse primitive types such as int, float, and string, as well as more complex types like dates and times. The scanner class can also use regular expressions to parse input, making it a versatile tool for parsing structured data. The scanner class is often used in conjunction with the system.in object, which represents the standard input for a Java program. The scanner class also has several useful methods such as nextLine, nextInt, hasNext, which makes it easy to use and navigate through the input stream. Okay, and to use scanner class we must have to know about the constructor. Okay, there are many constructor for scanner that commonly that used to read something from keyboard. This constructor is used. So system.in basically it is used to represent keyboard. Okay, so there are other constructors also available, so we are not going to discuss so much in details about the other constructors. Okay, example. So in this demonstration what I am going to do, after running the program it will ask your name and age. Okay, so in both the cases you will give your name, then enter, then it will read your name, and then it will ask your age. Okay, so you will enter your age, then again it is going to read, then when you press enter button it will give the output hello, the name, then you are so on age. For example, I have entered Hamid as a name and age 42, so it has displayed hello Hamid, you are 42 years old. Okay, so let us go to the Eclipse and write something in the Eclipse. All right, so I'm going to create a project. Okay, scanner demo. So I don't have anything on the left panel. I need to create a class. I can give any name, say that is scanner demo. Okay, so at first what I'm going to write system dot enter, then the user will enter the name and you have to read that name. Okay, so how you're going to write that thing. Okay, so this can be done here. So first of all you need these object. So now you need to import the scanner class. So this is in java.util class, util package. okay, and you are saying that inside these parentheses you are saying that okay, read something from the keyboard. Okay, what it says, you say the standard input stream. Okay, system.in is represented in Java as keyboard. Okay, so you can see this description. He says that typically this stream corresponds to the keyboard input and another input source specified by the host environment. Okay, so whenever we see something about system.in, that means we are talking about something that we read from keyboard. Okay, so we have created a scanner object. While creating the object, we have passed system.in as a parameter to the constructor. All right, and we got the scanner object. Now with this scanner we will be able to read the things from the keyboard. I mean, we can read keyboard inputs. Okay, so stream we should use this one, nextLine. All right, so we have created a scanner object. Then from that scanner we are reading something from the keyboard. Okay, so as soon as this particular line is executed, it will be waiting for the user input. Okay, similarly enter your age. Okay, this time age should be in integer, so int age scanner, then next int. So this time it is not next line. Okay, it should be next int, because the user will give something, some input as integer. So especially when we think about the age of someone, so it will be considered as integer, not as a string. Okay, so we have the age here. Now we can display the things. Okay, system.out.println. So we have all the information ready here, and so you can see that system.out.println hello, the name, that we are getting the name from scanner object that user has entered. Similarly the age here, and hello name, you are age years old. Okay, and also remember, whenever you use scanner class, it is always better to close the scanner, because if you don't close the scanner, there will be a kind of memory leakage. Okay, so it is always advisable to close the scanner. Okay, so our program is almost ready. Control Shift F. Okay, so enter your name, Hamid. Enter your age, say that 42. See, you can see that hello Hamid, you are 42 years old. Okay, that's it about this program. And if I run this thing in the console, in the command prompt, how it will look like. Okay, I'll copy these things, new folder and code, paste it here, and let me compile this. Java C, then what is the file name, scanner, then Java, run the program. It asks enter your name. Okay, say that John. Enter your age. Okay, say that 30. Hello John, you are 30 years old. Okay, let me run this again. This time I'll give some on. Okay, say that XYZ, enter your age 25. Hello XYZ, you are 25 years old. Okay, that's it about this video. Also look into the description box. I'll put some kind of theory for the scanner class. All right, see you in the next video.